Hi guys, welcome back. Let's do the animation for map location for your slides in Microsoft PowerPoint, a slideshow editing program, so that you can put pins on certain locations that we're going to be animating. So let's create the pins first. Click on this one. No. Click on Insert, Shapes, and then click on this one. And then hold the Shift key so that the shape is regular. Rotate it like 45 degrees, just like this, and then you extend this one. When you're done, remove the outlines, click here, and then click on no outline. Make the color brighter, just like this, and then let's create the circle that will be placed here. Click on the circle tool, and then simply put it here, and then make the outlines disappear. Make the color black, for example, just like so. Make it smaller again. Or maybe this will do. And then select them all. Hit Control and the G keys to group it all, just like so. And then let's animate this. Let's say if you want to pinpoint New York, right here. So to animate this so that it grows, click on animations, and then afterwards you choose the zoom animation, just like this. And then you create the indicator lines. Just go to shapes, and then head over to this one, and then afterwards simply hold the shift key so that it's diagonal, and then you create a straight line. But before that, let's change the weight to 3 points, and then make another line by clicking on this one from here. Hold on. Insert, shapes, and then align, and then hold the shift key, change the outline weight to 3 points. Alright, merge them all, and then Control G to group it. To group the lines, that's to say. And then we're going to animate this. Click on animations, and then head over to wipe. Click on effect options, and then click on from right, just like this, and then you're done. So let's create the animation for a line that is facing another direction, which is to the right. Copy and paste it, and then simply you can change the direction just like this, and then you can change the effect options to from left, just like so, and then click on animation pane so that we can actually look at the animation timeline. Right click, and then click on start after previous. Right click, start after previous, and then right click, start after previous, and then copy the pin and then paste it. Alright, and then put it here, and for this, put it here. Place it above, just like so. And then let's say if you want to select them all, the pin and the line, and then you want to place it here on Singapore, for example. And then you can select them all, and then copy and paste it again, and then place it on Sydney. And then you want to copy and paste it again, and then you want to place it on Stockholm. Hold on. Yeah, Stockholm. Hold on. Wait. then paste it. You want to place it on Stockholm, just like so. And then let's create the header and the subheader. So click on home, insert, and then click on shapes, and then create a text box, and then simply type like New York, United States. This will be the header, and this will be the footer, for example, just like this. And then we can color the text orange. No, not orange. Light orange. Gray. And then we make it bold, just like this. And then we place it somewhere here, and then we animate it. Click on animations, and then you want it to grow. Click on zoom, just like so. Right click, and then click on start after previous. So yeah, it will look like this. And then we copy and paste it again. Hold on, we copy the text box, and then we paste it again, and then we, type in Stockholm, Sweden, for example. STOCKHOLM, Sweden. And then we place it here, around here. And then we make this text black. This one as well, make it, gray, but lighter gray, just like this. Then for this, Singapore, copy and paste this, and then write Singapore. It's a city-state, so you only need to write Singapore, just like this. And then last one will be Sydney. Copy and paste this, and then type in, Sydney, Australia. Just like this. And then if we play the animation by, hitting F5, the pins will appear, and then the city names will appear just like this. That's how you can do the animation for map location in Microsoft PowerPoint, so that you can do things with each location. You can describe anything about the location that you pinned. Thank you for watching, guys. Give it a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. But for me, it's good day. Ciao.